Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to create Shopify invoices using an easy method. Generating professional invoices is a fundamental aspect of running a successful online store. They provide clear financial records for both you and your customers, building trust and ensuring smooth transactions. We will walk through the simple steps to generate, customize, and manage your invoices efficiently, helping you streamline your business operations in just a few minutes. To begin, log into your Shopify admin and head over to the Orders section. Here, you will see a list of all your customer purchases. Simply click on the particular order that requires an invoice. Once inside the order details, look for the More Actions drop-down menu and then select Print Order. This action will open a new window, presenting you with a printable version of your order, which serves as your basic invoice. Now, let's make your invoices truly yours. From your Shopify admin, go to Settings, then click on Notifications. Scroll down to find the Order Confirmation email template. This is where you can edit the underlying HTML and CSS code to add your company logo, specific business details, and even adjust the layout. A little customization ensures your invoices consistently reflect your brand's professional image, enhancing customer perception. Once your invoice is ready and customized, you can easily download it as a PDF document. This format is perfect for emailing directly to your customers, ensuring they receive a clear and professional record of their purchase. Remember to keep a well-organized digital archive of all your invoices. This practice is essential for accurate bookkeeping, simplifies tax preparation, and provides a comprehensive overview of your sales performance throughout the year.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.